Hello. Good evening, ma'am. This is my activity for ano to? Semi-final activity 3, Python Django. So this is uh the output I did. This of the students here. You can view the student details. Back to and update. Then it can also delete. So here I created templates for the main master HTML student details to uh, student details. This will be redirected if the student if the user click the student's name, it will get the ID. Then it will show the students or details. And it can also go back here. Student list will show all the first name and last name of the student, and it can also be updated and deleted. So as for the update, I created a new HTML to and make a form to get the user data, and it can be uh, rewritten or update. And so here's the URLs I updated, but student details get the ID for details of the extra details of the students. Then it can also be deleted. Also get the ID, the students, and update. For the views, here what I did. For the delete students, I get the student ID, then student dot delete, then return redirect slash to like here. This is the example of it. Then I think let me change it to let's change it to students, and let's see what's the result. Um, the, oh, wait, let me fix it. This is the solution I could think of upon deleting the student and stay in here for this uh, link. So let's try to delete this one. Oh my god, let me fix it again. I don't know why, but this mura dyan siya ang mugana jud siya na pero mabalik siya diri sa ano. So let's move on to kuha na lang jud sa update. So kuha na sa dyan records, then use form this one to get all the value of the first name of the table, last name, age, and course. Is that to update here. It will store the it will show the data for each students. As for the view here, it will get the new data of the students. Then this student that saves, it will store the new data and save it to the database. So let's try to uh, update this. Let's go to Lacre, uh, Carl Lacre 21 is ID intake, and the pack number is 09 9912 update. And let's go to see the details if all that if all the details have been changed or not. 21 is ID intake, then that's all for the update and delete. Thank you, ma'am.